Vibes. It's your girl Michaela, and today I'm showing y'all how I'll be doing my gel nails for the summer. Everything that I'm showing you here today either came from Amazon or Shein. The nail polishes came from Amazon, and my UV lamp came from Shein. My nail stand came from Shein, and so did the fake nails, and the tacket came from Walmart. So everything here is super affordable. This is me just unboxing my UV lamp. It was $11 and it was worth the $11. I love it. Okay, so here I'm just taking the tacket and using it to place my fake nails on the stand. This way I won't have to put the nails physically on my nail beds and go under the UV lamp. So this is the base coat I'm using, and I'm just doing one thin layer, and I'm going to cure it for at least a minute and 30 seconds. And that's just for the base coat. Here I was just showing you the UV lamp in work. As you can see, it actually is a UV lamp, so don't be scared to order it if you want it. But yeah. This is the nail color I'm using, and these are the Gaoy gel nail polishes. I got them off of Amazon for like $15.99. They are sheer jelly, like a pink nude polish. It's a set of 6. Once again, they are sheer, so that means they're buildable. But yeah, just straight to the point, you know. So my first layer is going to be super thin. All of my layers are actually super thin. I only did 3 coats. After each coat, I cured my nails for 3 minutes. So remember that. I'll put it in the description box, but I did do 3 minutes for each coat. I didn't show y'all me curing them because I felt like it was just super repetitive. But yeah, that's what it looks like after one coat. Super sheer. Like I said, if you read the Amazon reviews, some people are going to be mad and say that they barely show up. But it is advertised as sheer. I don't know. You know how people on Amazon be. But whatever. This is not, what is that called? I can't even think of what I want to say. This is not a paid review. I'm just being honest. So, yeah. And I do have these gel nail polishes on my toes right now, and they're lasting for a long time. I don't know if y'all care, but I don't have any peeling for real. But I think that's because I did thin coats. But I could be wrong. I don't know. I think we're doing the second coat now. Pretty sure. Sorry y'all can't see. I think I have my brightness up too much on my ring light. I've been out the game so long, my videos look horrible now. But another thing about these stands, they are magnetic, but they only come in a pack of 5. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like $2. I wish I would have got 2 packs, but it slipped my mind. Definitely going to order another set of 5. Trying to think what else I can tell y'all. I don't really have a lot. Oh, my base and top coat came from Amazon, and that was $7.99. So it was super cheap too. This is the nails after the 3rd coat. And now I'm applying the top coat. Super thin layer. Don't do a thick one because it won't dry. This is what the nails look like after I applied the top coat and cured it. So pretty. I love this color. This is what it looks like up against my skin. Like, y'all, that is bomb. That's bomb. So that's the end of this video. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.